deadly fires can strike anyone's home at any time. And they can start for the most unlikely reasons. Your kitchen, washer and dryer, and fireplace are just a few of the sources for the nearly 400,000 residential fires that occur in the United States annually. Between 1999 and 2002, nearly 60,000 residential fires were started due to the improper cleaning or lack of cleaning of washers and dryers. This is just one of many examples of fires starting due to what most would think are surprising reasons. Another is that fireplaces and chimneys actually cause more fires than space heaters. And you would think most candle fires would be caused by people knocking them over, when in fact, half are caused by combustible materials coming too close to the flames. Fire prevention experts also advise people to avoid cooking in loose clothing to prevent burns. Another surprising fact is that Christmas trees spark roughly 200 residential fires each year. And we all know smoking is bad for your health, but did you know that careless smoking causes 15,000 more? No matter how careful you are, the risk is there. So, what are the odds your house will catch fire this year? There are around 105 million households in the United States, and there are about 350,000 residential fires each year. So, each year, about one household in 300, or 0.3%, experiences a fire serious enough to call the fire department. 18,000 of those fires are started by candles, and that number is increasing. So the next time you make a romantic candlelight dinner, make sure the fire is out before the real sparks start to fly.